Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing WeMod versus Plitch. So if you don't know what these two are, WeMod is a popular game trainer platform for PC, offering cheats and mods with a simple app and free paid tiers. Now, let's go over to Plitch, and Plitch is a game trainer tool focused on offline single-player mods with a strong emphasis on ethical game cheating. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with WeMod here. Now the pros of WeMod is that it has a clean UI and it is easy to use, and it has a large game library. So now the cons of it is that some features are locked behind the pro version or a paywall, and it needs internet for full use. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of Plitch here. So the pros of Plitch is that it emphasizes fair and ethical use, and it works well offline. So if you're wondering if what does the fair and ethical use mean for cheating, basically it means that you're just cheating for research purposes. For example, you're finding out how much damage this sword does or this item does based on these specific conditions, so you would need to cheat to see the details or the info. Now the cons of it is that it has a smaller library and the UI can be less intuitive. So which one is right for you? So you should choose WeMod for ease of use and wider support, and choose Plitch for offline use and ethical focus on single-player games. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.